Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up Snapchat public profile. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, you can let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular interface. Now from here, where you need to go is you need to go to your profile option and scroll a bit. Over here you'll find this my public profile option. You can go over here. Now on your top you can see this pencil like icon. Just go over here, and over here now you can preview your profile. So add any information that your profile might contain. So you can add bio up to 150 words. You can have your locations from here. You can have a city, state, province or country. And then you can toggle this on if you want to show how many of the people follows you. So that's how you're gonna set up your my profile on Snapchat. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.